This is why you shouldn't ignore loud snoring. It could be more serious than you think. Here's what you need to know. Loud snoring with gasping or pauses might mean sleep apnea, which causes oxygen drops and puts extra stress on your heart. Over time, this can raise your risk for heart disease. If you or a loved one snore loudly, talk to your doctor. It could help protect your heart. International Conference on Cardiology and Cardiovascular Medicine. 28th edition of Cardiology Summit. The 22nd of August 2025. Berlin, Germany. Visit cardiology.pensis.com.